Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. Recently, the Kerala High Court sought reports on the feasibility of substituting a patented cancer drug with a cheaper alternative. Which of the following bodies is primarily responsible for granting patents for pharmaceutical products in India? The correct answer is Indian Patent Office. The Indian Patent Office is the official body responsible for granting patents in India, including for pharmaceutical products. Sariyana Badil. Question 2. Following recent news on efforts to curb drug abuse, including setting up anti-drug committees, which of the following substances is a synthetic stimulant known for its high potential for abuse and often seized in drug busts? The correct answer is MDMA, ecstasy. MDMA, ecstasy, is a synthetic drug known for its stimulant and hallucinogenic properties, frequently seized in drug busts due to its high abuse potential. Sariyana Badil. Question 3. Which of the following is the most common histological type of breast cancer? The correct answer is invasive ductal carcinoma, IDC. Invasive ductal carcinoma, IDC, also known as invasive carcinoma of no special type, accounts for 70 to 80% of all invasive breast cancers. Sariyana Badil, IDC. IDC, 70 முதல் 80% வரை. Question 4. Which of the following is a modifiable risk factor for breast cancer? The correct answer is obesity. Obesity is a modifiable risk factor for breast cancer, especially in postmenopausal women, due to increased estrogen production in adipose tissue. Sariyana Badil. Question 5. Sentinel lymph node biopsy is primarily indicated in breast cancer for which of the following purposes? The correct answer is to determine if cancer has spread to the regional lymph nodes. Sentinel lymph node biopsy is performed to identify if cancer cells have spread from the primary tumor to the first few lymph nodes, sentinel nodes, in the axilla. Sariyana Badil. Question 6. The most common and serious complication following a total thyroidectomy is? The correct answer is hypocalcemia. Hypocalcemia due to accidental removal or damage to the parathyroid glands is the most common metabolic complication after total thyroidectomy. Sariyana Badil. Question 7. Which of the following is a definitive indication for surgical thyroidectomy in a patient with hypothyroidism? The correct answer is toxic multinodular goiter causing compressive symptoms. Surgical thyroidectomy is often indicated for toxic multinodular goiter, especially when it causes significant compressive symptoms like dysphagia or dyspnea, or for large goiters. Sariyana Badil. Question 8. Papillary thyroid carcinoma is characterized by its common spread via which route? The correct answer is lymphatic spread. Papillary thyroid carcinoma typically spreads via lymphatic channels to regional lymph nodes in the neck. சரியான பதில். Question 9. A patient presenting with paroxysmal hypertension, palpitations, and sweating should be investigated for which adrenal gland tumor? The correct answer is pheochromocytoma. Pheochromocytoma is a tumor of the adrenal medulla that secretes catecholamines, leading to the classic triad of paroxysmal hypertension, palpitations, and sweating. சரியான பதில். Question 10. The most critical aspect of preoperative management for a patient undergoing adrenalectomy for pheochromocytoma is? The correct answer is alpha-adrenergic blockade. Alpha-adrenergic blockade, example phenoxybenzamin, is crucial preoperatively for pheochromocytoma to control hypertension and prevent a hypertensive crisis during surgery. சரியான பதில். Question 11. The most common cause of endogenous Cushing's syndrome is? The correct answer is pituitary adenoma, Cushing's disease. Cushing's disease, caused by an ACTH-secreting pituitary adenoma, is the most common cause of endogenous Cushing's syndrome. சரியான பதில். ACTH. Question 12. Which of the following best describes a fibroadenoma of the breast? The correct answer is a benign, firm, rubbery, mobile lump common in young women. Fibroadenomas are benign breast tumors, typically presenting as firm, rubbery, well-circumscribed, and mobile lumps, most commonly found in young women. சரியான பதில். Question 13. What is the clinical significance of HER2 status in breast cancer management? ACR2. The correct answer is it indicates suitability for anti-HER2 targeted therapies. HER2, human epidermal growth factor receptor 2, status determines whether a patient's breast cancer is eligible for targeted therapies like trastuzumab, Herceptin. சரியான பதில். ACR2. ACR2. Question 14. Which serum biomarker is most useful for monitoring recurrence in medullary thyroid carcinoma, MTC? MTC? The correct answer is calcitonin. Medullary thyroid carcinoma originates from parafollicular C cells, which produce calcitonin, making serum calcitonin an excellent tumor marker for diagnosis and monitoring recurrence. சரியான பதில். Question 15. Unilateral adrenalectomy is the definitive treatment for which of the following adrenal conditions causing primary hyperaldosteronism? The correct answer is aldosterone-producing adenoma, Conn's syndrome. For primary hyperaldosteronism caused by a unilateral aldosterone-producing adenoma, Conn's syndrome, unilateral adrenalectomy is the definitive cure. Bilateral adrenal hyperplasia is usually managed medically. சரியான பதில். Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.